Hey guys, this is Poet's Price Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here for an HSN unboxing. Yes, as you know, on November 6th, you had voting day, and you also had a 24-hour craft day on HSN. So I did get a couple things, and then I decided that since my Gemini was messed up, that I was going to try and see the Empress die cutting machine. Okay, so this is the box it came in, and it came in today. So we're gonna open it. Of course, it had my little info. And it's funny because this is about the same size as the Gemini machine, and yet the box it came in is smaller. So that's kind of funny. So you can just pull this out. Now I say just pull it out. However, this mug is freaking heavy. With the box, it's 18-something pounds. So it's not just pull it out. It's heavy pull it out. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this machine because, like I said when it came out, I really don't need another machine. However, since my Gemini is acting a fool, I decided why not try it. And you can send it back all the way until January 30th. So I'm like, hey, there you go. We'll try this mug out. So here's your little box. Of course, it's got your Anna Cream and Gold. Your Anna Cream and Gold. Because that's the Anna way. It's got this handle on it, which makes it easier to manage. Okay. So let's see. We can open it here. Pull this open. And I have to say, I do like her, I do like Anna Griffin's packaging. Alright, so inside you can see that. I'm trying not to knock stuff over and such. I also ordered the large plates, which they're supposed to come tomorrow, which I'm like, I don't understand how this one shipped later. And then the one that shipped before isn't going to get here until a day later. Who knows with HSN shipping? I don't know. Woohoo! Well, that was a nice ride for you, ladies and gents. I would cut that out, but I'm not going to. That'll make you feel better. Get you feeling woozy. Woozy, woozy, bluesy. Okay, so you have your die and embossing instruction book. And we can go through here. And so forth. So on. As per every machine. You get your typical Anna very thick embossing mat. So it says die embossing, which you see. They gave you some dies, which when it came out originally, I think you got more dies, but that's okay. So here's this frame, which is a gorgeous frame, and then the inner piece, and then some more dies. Here you get one of her embossing folders, which I may have this, I don't know. You can't really see it. And then you have your plate combinations. Now, they look slightly bigger than the Cuttlebug plates. And you also get your magnetic mat, which is thicker and sturdier, which is definitely a different between this and a Gemini. And then you get your metal shim. Okay. All right. So those two are really different. If you're talking about the difference between this machine and a Gemini, is that the embossing mat is much thicker on the Empress, and so is the magnetic mat, and it's also much stiffer. Okay. So that's a difference, or two differences, how you want to look at it. Okay, so then let's pull out this mama. Well, let's try to do it this way. We'll kind of do it sideways. This is always the bad part about machine boxes, is trying to get the darn thing out of the box. I can't get it out. It won't come out. Ah! Ah! So let's see if we can slide it out. Oh. Yeah, it is not a light machine. So if you're used to like a Gemini Junior, this box is broke. If you're used to a Gemini Junior, then yeah, this thing is definitely heavy. Okay, so you can't get rid of the box because the box may end up going bad if we don't like this machine. Get that all the way for you. Okay, so you get your cord, which has your attachment in the back. Of course, it has your requisite foam. Now, if you turn it like this, oh, it's in this nice protective plastic. Are we seeing it? Are we seeing it? Well, like I said, it's your typical Anna Griffin colors. Her cream and gold. Ugh. Yeah. Definitely not a light machine. Mr. Man picked it up and was like, what's in here? I'm like, a machine. Here's the handle. Here's your little pieces that you go and put in there. So this is the front. It's got, I'm going to try to tilt it. So it's got your run, start, or play in reverse. Need some more light on that. Let's do that. In reverse. Okay. Let's see if I can get you down maybe a little bit more. Is that better? I don't know. Is it better? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's always trying to, wintertime is so, it's not even winter yet. It's fall and it's still hard to get lighting together when it's dark outside. So you got your little handle, which is kind of weird because you would think the handle would go the other way. So you can see how the little rivets, I don't know if you can see, it just seems like you would have designed it so the handle goes the other way. But they didn't. So it's interesting. It's got a slim kind of little profile here. So you can see that. It's got a wider mouth, of course, than your Cuttlebug. And it's just really a solid machine, which is good because although I love the way the Anna Griffin Kodak printer prints, it is quite flimsy and so it's good to see that this is a heavy machine. Okay, so that's basically that. I'm going to go ahead and stop this and then I'm going to plug everything up and let's run a die.